For part 2 of the lab, we have both of our modules connected with their antennas. This is XB module A, this is XB module C. In XCTCU, it's important to know that the channel parameter and the network ID parameter have to be the same, or else these modules cannot communicate to each other. Another important thing is to know is that the MAC addresses are set automatically, but the destination addresses can be configured in such a way that module A needs to have the address of module C and vice versa in order for them to be able to communicate to each other. And then one final important part is the API parameter. And since we're going to be looking at the data being transmitted through a serial connection, these have to be in transparent mode. So we're going to take this program and move to the console working mode. Here we will establish a connection. They both have a baud rate of 9600. We're going to close these connections, detach. And so here, any keys that we log in the console will show up on the other person's console. Just like this. For part 3 of the lab, when we want to write a Python script that executes broadcasts and receptions, one thing to know that each module needs to be in a different API mode than before. It can either be API mode 1 or 2, just to make sure that that is set that way. We created a Python script that imports the XB library. Then here we declare some XB devices. These are the COM ports that they use. Open a connection. It's very important that the serial connection from the previous part is closed, or else the ports will be occupied. And here's a loop where we broadcast 10 different times from device A, which is XBA, to device C, which is XBC. And then it prints that data to the terminal. And those are our messages from right there.